What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to use your Facebook profile to drive massive free traffic to generate affiliate commissions. Now, I've personally used my Facebook profile over 5 years. I've generated thousands and thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. And as you follow me through this entire video, you're going to learn the exact strategies I've been using to do that. But before I dive in, if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest weekly videos, be sure to go down, hit the subscribe button and that bell notification, because I'm pulling back the curtain and revealing my best secret affiliate marketing strategies. And last but not least, if you want a free video revealing my #1 affiliate program to generate instant paying 100% commissions, be sure to go down below, click that first link and check that out now. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, if you already have a product that you're promoting, you want to think about what niche or topic is that product in, okay? Maybe it's teaching people how to make money online. Maybe it's teaching people how to lose weight, okay? Whatever that product is, the very first step of Facebook is you want to create a cover photo or upload a cover photo and a profile picture, okay? Now, you want to make sure the cover photo is related to the niche of the product. So you can see right here that I had this cover photo, okay? Now, this has to do with making money online because that's what the products that I promote have to do with. But if you're promoting something like, weight loss, then you could have a photo right here of a gym, okay? Or of dumbbells, okay? You just want something that's related to the niche you're actually in. If you're promoting a product that has to do with Forex, okay, you could have some stock, photos and things like that, like in the cover, okay? As far as the profile picture, it's very important that you have a picture of yourself, because people buy from people. They don't buy from, random objects or dogs, okay? Some people have, profile pictures of just like a flag. You want to actually have a picture of yourself, because when people go to your profile, which I'm going to share with you how to get a massive amount of targeted people actually hitting your profile, you want to make sure that it's a warm, friendly photo of yourself, okay? So I have a smiling picture here. If you have a good picture of yourself, just make that your profile. Now, right here, the bio, okay, it's very important that you make a good bio, okay? Because again, these are the first key things that people are going to see on your profile when it comes to actually promoting and getting free traffic. So I have, just a few things about myself. Again, I teach people how to make money online. So I have, traveler, marketer, mentor, okay, make commissions while sleeping. And then I have my affiliate link. So for you, again, it's going to come down to what your product is. So if you're promoting a product that has to do with, losing weight or weight loss, you could say health advocate, active enthusiast, weight loss mentor or something like that, okay? You don't have to overthink it. The bio isn't that important, but then you can put your affiliate link there as well, and some people may actually click that just seeing it in your bio. Now, what's the next step? So once we have our profile set up, the next thing we want to do is get targeted people to actually add us as a friend, because what we want to do is build up a targeted friend list and then market to them through posts, which I'm going to share exact examples a little bit later. And then when they see those posts, they're going to be compelled to actually ask us for more information, which will lead to affiliate commissions. Okay, so stick with me. But what you want to do is you want to do a couple things. Number one is you can go to this search bar and you can actually type in a word or two that has to do with the topic of your product. So again, for this example in this video, I'm going to do lose weight, okay, or weight loss. So I typed in lose weight and then I hit search. Now what we want to do is we want to filter by groups, okay? So you can just click that tab on the left, groups. Now what this does is it lists all these different groups that people that are interested in the topic of our product have joined, okay? So what you want to do is you want to open up one of these big groups, okay? So, this one, for example, has 141,000 members. So if you open this up, what's going to happen is, if it's a public group, okay, which says so right here, you can go to members and you can actually see members that have joined this group, okay? Now, you can actually go down and members with things in common, okay, this is a good place to actually start adding people as friends. Also new to the group, okay? Because these people are brand new to the group. They're probably struggling to lose weight because, again, they're right now actively looking for solutions, which we can actually present our product to them, as I'll share a little bit later. But the thing that's good about members with things in common is I have mutual friends with these people. So when you go to add friends on Facebook, you don't just want to add like 100 people randomly with no friends in common, because Facebook may actually pause your account. They may put you in Facebook jail, which means for a day or two you can't, add anyone. So you want to go slow. I recommend anywhere from 20 to 30 people a day to add, but you want to look for, first off, people with mutual friends, because that's going to allow you to add more people. So that all I would do, okay, is just go down and hit add, okay? Now, why are we adding these people? Again, these people are interested in the topic of our product. So when they see our profile and we have that good cover, that good smiling, happy profile picture, the bio that's relevant to this group, right, to weight loss or making money or building muscle, they're going to see, hey, this person's interested in the topic that I'm interested in, and you're going to get way more people actually accepting you as a friend. Now, another place we can go to actually find targeted people to add as friends is fan pages. So you can type into Facebook, lose weight or weight loss, or a couple words about the topic of your product, and then you can actually find fan pages that are related. Now, I did that before the video, and I found Weight Watchers. Okay, so Weight Watchers is a massive company helping people lose weight. So I know that if I go to the latest posts on their fan page and I go to the people that like their post, all these people are interested in losing weight. And the cool thing about this strategy on fan pages is these people are active, because when you go to the people that have liked or loved the latest post on this fan page, this is within a day or so. So these people are active, these people are looking to lose weight. And again, I can go ahead and add these people as friends. Okay, so now once we start getting people accepting our friend request, the next step is we want to actually start posting engaging quotes, tips, and methods that are valuable for our new friends. Okay, now right here, again, my profile is in the make money online niche, but what I did was I just posted a very vague, very easy to like quote. Okay, this is a success quote when it comes to making money online. Now, why are we going to do this, right? And you want to do this 1 to 2 days in a row, and then we're going to do a pitch for our product. And again, I'm going to share with you exact examples in a second. But the reason we want to do this is if you just start pitching on your Facebook profile, you're not going to get any engagement. No one's going to see it, and you're not going to make the money you want. Believe me, I've done this for over 5 years on Facebook, and it just doesn't work. Okay, so what you want to do instead is we want to build our engagement with these easy to like, easy to share, engaging quotes. Okay, and then once people start liking that, when we go to post, in a day or two after that, our pitch, okay, to check out our product, a lot more people are going to see it, because the people that just liked our previous post, Facebook is going to show that to them, our new post, and they're going to see that, and a good portion, since they're already interested in losing weight or whatever your product has to do with, are going to be interested in what we're pitching. Ask us for more information, and then we can send them our affiliate link to generate affiliate commissions. So how do we find quotes? Well, it's very simple. You can just go to Google Images, and you can type, the topic of your product, and then quotes, and then search that. So I did weight loss success quotes. And you can see there's a massive amount of quotes. Now you can actually just download these and upload them to your Facebook directly, but often just, using these pictures that aren't that good of quality are not going to give you, that good of likes. You can see this one has 121 likes, 38 comments. Okay, so that did really well. This one is another one, 193 likes, 71 comments, 8 shares. And again, I just found this on Google Images. Okay, but you want to actually do it this way. So to do that, it's really simple. Okay, I'll share with you an example. So let's say every new day is another chance to change your life. Okay, so let's say that's what I wanted to post. You can go here. Every day is another opportunity to change your life. Okay, And then you can go to this little thing here, and now you can actually choose a background. Okay, I usually use this one, and then you can post. Okay, and again, you'll start to get engagement on your post. Okay, now what happens once people start engaging? Well, this is where we want to now do our pitch post. Okay, and I'm going to share with you different examples. So this is one right here. Now, all of them have a very simple structure and the same structure. Okay, so what I did was right here, and you can see that the results, 30 likes. You're not going to get as many likes on these type of posts, but the comments is really what's important. Okay, so what I did was I was promoting a affiliate system that basically you can make money with 4 different income streams. Okay, so what I did was I did a headline. Okay, attention money seekers. So as people scroll down their Facebook, they're going to see this headline and it's going to catch their attention. And now what I did was I explained a little bit of the benefits of the affiliate product that I'm actually promoting. Okay, and that's what you want to do. You want to just do a little bit of the benefits. Now, some of these that I'm going to share with you in a second are very short. They're like 1 or 2 sentences, and you can do those. Or you could do the longer posts. Okay, it really depends. You can test them. Both of them work. Now with this, again, you want to do a little bit of the benefits, but what you don't want to do is you don't want to mention the name of the affiliate product. You don't want to give away, exactly how it works. Like for example, if I was promoting a weight loss product, and let's say that weight loss product, the secret to lose weight is to eat spinach. Okay, for example, I'm not going to say, hey, attention, weight loss seekers, do you want to learn how to use spinach to lose weight? Okay, because that takes away the secret, right? We want to actually build curiosity and get people to comment or message us asking us for more information. So in order for us to get people to ask us for more information, we have to leave information out. Okay, we have to build curiosity. So how do we do that? Well, again, you just pique their interest, give it a little bit of the benefits. And then towards the end, you just say, do you want more information? Comment yes below, or you can say direct message me yes right now. Okay, you can either get people to comment or you can get people to direct message you for more information. Both work. And if you're just starting off and you don't have a lot of friends, I would tell people to message you. Okay, so people can't tell how many people comment, because it's not going to be a lot of people. But once you have a lot of friends, you can say comment yes below, and then as people comment, okay, what you want to do is you want to actually open up their profile and message them. Okay, and what do you want to message them? You want to message them something like, hey, I saw your comment asking for more information. Here's a link to an overview, or here's a link to more information. And then all you're going to do is send them your affiliate link. Okay, that's all you're gonna do. Yes, okay, how can I do it from Italy? Yes, okay, and you literally just message them your link with your affiliate link, okay? And then what I like to do is once I send it to them, I just reply on their comment and say sent, okay? Because this is gonna boost up my Facebook post more and more, and they get a notification to go check my message, okay? Here's another example. Okay, this one didn't have an image. You can include an image like this one sometimes. Okay, or you can just do this. Free training. How to earn up to 14K per day just sending a quick email to people. Comment yes for access. Okay, 100 comments. Yes, 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 right? So again, this was very short. And I believe I just took this text from the sales page of the affiliate product I was promoting, right? So it said how to earn 14K per day, just sending a quick email. I just took that and put it in a post on Facebook. Here's one more example. I had a day where, I generated $425. I posted that, and then I said, stop scrolling. That's like the headline. Want to discover how I make 400 plus per day in 60 minutes or less from my smartphone? Comment yes for full info. Again, I'm not telling them how I made this money. They have to comment for, information. And then I had 25 comments, 97 likes, yes, yes, yes. And again, I just opened up their profile. Hey, saw you commented for more information. Check out this link. Okay. Now, the last thing you want to do on your Facebook profile to get endless free traffic is you want to go to your profile and you want to create stories. Okay. You can do a text story or a photo story. Now, what you want to do on your stories is you want to share results. Okay. So you can go to the affiliate sales page, or if you're part of a Facebook group that is a part of that affiliate program, you can actually download or screenshot results that people have posted. Okay, maybe they've lost weight, a before and after photo, or if it's the make money online niche, you can share results of other people that have been able to generate money with the method that you're promoting. Okay, so I'm actually going to create a story right now to share with you. So I have a few right here, so I can just open up this right here. This right here is a screenshot of one of the members of the affiliate program I'm promoting, the result that they got. Okay, and then I can add text. And I can say, wow, wow, great to see more members crushing it. Okay. And then, you can change the font or the color and things like that. Okay. I actually want to do that because you can't see it. Boom. Okay. And then there you go. Now I can just, okay, let me edit this. Now I can just post this, share this story. Okay. And now people are going to start to see this, and they're going to start to ask me how it actually works. You can even add more text and say, if you want info, reply to this story, yes. Okay, so that right there, now you're basically, sharing results, and now you're giving them a little pitch to comment or reply to that story. When they reply, you'll see it in your messages that they said yes. And then you could just do the same thing as if you posted. Hey, I saw you reply, go here to check out more information. And then you just send them your affiliate link. Okay, so this is how you can generate endless free traffic with affiliate marketing just using your free Facebook profile. If you got value and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step training, subscribe below and hit the bell notification. And last but not least, again, if you want to discover my #1 affiliate program to generate commissions even on autopilot, go down, get access to that free video at the first link below. Watch that, see if you resonate, which I think you will. It's my #1 recommended after 5 years online. Take action on that, and I really think you're going to love that. Anyway, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next training.